Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Laos. Hi, so I am in Laos, which is my 82nd country, really excited, and I'm staying in an amazing place. It's called Seta Palace. It's a super fancy colonial hotel. If you come here, you should. So the chief staff, Mr. Andrew, has arranged today for us live preparation of larb, which is the national dish of Laos. So we will be showing you how larb is cooked. Thank you. Here is Chef Tawan, and we have started cooking larb. Yep. As you can see, there is some garlic out there now. We will be adding some chicken. Yep. Larb, you can add any kind of meat. Mostly people eat the pork, but I've decided to have chicken today. That is? All right. Okay, so it's already done. Now we'll be putting it in the other pan, in the bowl. We're gonna make it a little cold, yeah. So the trick here is to make it a little cold. So larb is actually a salad, yeah guys. And this is? Alright, that is fish sauce. We're adding some fish sauce now.
Yep. And would you like spicy?
Yes, I would like spicy. So we're gonna add some chilies.
Powder.
Alright, nice. Some lemon to it.
Sticky lime.
Alright. Some sticky.
Smell. Smell.
Okay, so that thing is for the smell, yeah? Alright. The chef is now tasting it. So if you cook, you know, taste is very important. Some more sauce. That's fish sauce. Yes. And this is
Pink onion and coriander.
okay. So we're adding some spring onions and coriander.
And mint leaf.
So mint leaves as well. Perfect. So as you already saw, how larb is prepared and it's almost done. So we are putting in this small thing. This is the traditional way of how you do it. Yep. And larb is the national dish of Laos, guys. It is an identification, you know, it's an identity, I would say that. So we are soon going to try. That's Chef Tawan who's done it, and we're going to try the larb. This is how it's going to be looking. So as we've already now seen how larb is made, this is how the final product looks like. Yep. And it is the national dish, guys, of Laos, yeah. So we're going to try it, see how it is. And you also have some sticky rice right over here, if you see. Yep. There. So how do I eat it? Just like that? With this?
Yes.
Oh. I'm getting a lot of taste, especially of all the vegetables, but I think it's more of the spice dominates the flavor. Yeah. Yeah. And a little pungent as well, but nice, yeah. It's not like the regular salad we have, it's something very different. So yeah, basically it's a salad which is made with meat, vegetables, different sauces, herbs, and it's something you should try when you come to Laos. So come to Laos, try it, and we are waiting for you. Thank you.